So many people ask about what is the best training institute in Bangalore. So I thought of giving a small video to give you what is the best software training institute in Bangalore. So I found AchieversIT. They are doing pretty much good and they are providing many software training courses with good lab and good placement facilities. So that location of the training institute is near to Udupi Garden Signal, 350 meters far away to Udupi Garden Signal. It is located in the prime area, and the trainers who are already working in the training institute, all of them are MNC and they are working in top level companies with good designations. They are also not teaching only the technical aspects, but also they are helping students how are they going to crack the interviews. They conduct mock interviews, they conduct live webinars, they conduct challenges in order to crack the technical interviews, whatnot. They are also helping in many more aspects which will really help students to get the job. And so if you talk about their industrial experience, they have been serving the training courses from past 9+ years. So what are the best courses that they can offer for the students? They are majorly into full stack, mean stack, mon stack, React.js, Angular, PHP, web development, data science, digital marketing, and DevOps, and many more. So the facilities, if you talk about the facilities of that institute, they are providing training with practical sessions, and they used to provide the study materials for the students, and they are storing all these classroom sessions in their LMS, and they are also giving that LMS is absolutely free for the students. And one interesting thing is they are helping them 1 year technical support if they are facing any. They are also giving 100% job assistance, and user can even choose either offline or online. And when we are talking about the placements, all 97.3% of their students got placed before they complete their training. That is how their placement team helping them to get the jobs, because many of the companies are reaching AchieversIT to give the quality of students so that they can directly use students in their projects. So if you want more information, kindly click on this link below. You'll be able to understand the best about the institute. Thank you all.